I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now search and select MailUp. To get client ID and client secret, please go to your MailUp account. Go to Settings. Go to Advanced Settings. Click on Developers Corner. Click New API Key. Give a name of your application. Give a developer name. Put notes on application. Click Request Keys. Now copy client ID, go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and paste it here. Copy client secret, go to Bit Integration Dashboard and paste it here. Now click on Authorize. Log on to your MailUp account. Successfully authorized. Click on Next. Select your list. Select your groups. Now map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features. Click Next. Now click Finish and Save. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Let's check our MailUp account. Click on Recipients. Click on Email. As you can see, mail successfully sent to MailUp. Thanks for watching.